Striebig, for decades the leader in high-grade vertical panel saws. 1959, master cabinet maker Ludwig Striebig developed the first vertical panel saw. Series production started 2 years later in 1961. Since then, the Striebig name has been internationally synonymous with the space-saving vertical sawing of large panels. Striebig panel saws have revolutionized woodworking, and the company's further developments continue to set new standards. Striebig currently has a workforce of more than 80 employees and has agents in over 50 countries. Striebig is considered a global brand in innovation and high quality. Market requirements and customer satisfaction are the core of the corporate philosophy. Striebig knows what customers expect. The wide range of models provides the best solution for all requirements and areas of application. Striebig panel saws represent unique quality, exceptional precision, and a long service life. These advantages guarantee a fast return on investment. Striebig's vertical panel saws become customized, highly professional production machines, thanks to a wide variety of accessories and options. Market leadership is dependent on the consistent optimization of customer benefits. That is why investment in research and development is continuous. The results are new applications, more efficient process flows, and software that can be used to control complex production steps with ease. Striebig has a high degree of in-house production, which increases independence and boosts the company's ability to react. Therefore, customers can rely on short delivery times of standard models as well as special purpose machines. Striebig vertical panel saws satisfy the highest demands. They're subjected to tough testing and the strictest quality tests before delivery. Highly qualified and motivated personnel, as well as advanced production machinery, are the basis for Striebig's global impact. Detailed commissioning and specific training enable customers to get maximum performance from Striebig panel saws. Striebig offers unparalleled customer support. The machine's long service life is guaranteed, since supplies of spare parts are maintained for at least 30 years. Precision, superlative quality, convenience, and easy handling are essential priorities for top-quality economic production. In short, Striebig panel saws. Striebig, whose competitive edge generates customer profit.